Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer XDC from Uphold in 2025. If you're new to Zinfin's XDC or just need a simple refresh, this guide will help you move your assets safely and efficiently. Why bother? Well, transferring crypto lets you take control, maybe to a hardware wallet or another exchange for better security or opportunities. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Uphold app or website open and you're logged into your account. If you haven't already, verify your identity if prompted. It's a quick step for security. Once you're in, head to your dashboard and locate the Assets or Portfolio section. Here, find your XDC holdings. It should be listed under your crypto assets. Next, select your XDC wallet. This will bring up your balance and options like Send or Transfer. Click on that. Uphold might ask for additional confirmation here, so keep an eye out. Now, enter the recipient's wallet address. This is super important. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes, as crypto transactions are irreversible. After that, input the amount of XDC you want to send. Uphold will show you any network fees, which can vary based on 2025 network conditions, so review them carefully. If everything looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction, possibly with two-factor authentication for extra safety. Once it's processed, you'll get a confirmation notification. Boom! You're done. Remember, always monitor your transactions and keep your private keys secure. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. See you in the next video.